offering value-added solutions key to managing difficult construction clients. In the construction industries, difficult clients are also part of the business. At times, you will have to meet with them. And as your clients, you will have to make sure that they are satisfied. You will have to make sure that their needs are met, their concerns are met. Those concerns might be in form of the budget, timeline, or even changes in the scope of work of the project. But when they come up with concerns that are unrealistic, it becomes a problem that may lead to even frustrating situations. But one thing that will make you turn those frustrations around is by offering value-added solutions. And these are one of the keys to managing difficult clients. My name is Alon Chukwemeka, and this is Newton Search, where we discuss topical issues in civil engineering and construction project management. Now, let's get started. What is value-added solutions, and why is it key to managing difficult clients? Value-added solutions simply means services that go beyond the normal standard scope of work of the project and provide additional benefits to the client. This value enhances project value, streamlines project delivery, and optimizes operations and maintenance. Now, why is it key to managing difficult construction clients? Number one, demonstration of expertise. Clients don't just hire you because they believe you have the capacity to deliver the project. No, they equally hire you because they believe you can suggest, you can have alternative ideas to some of the challenges that will come. When they have that idea, if you are able to provide those additional value, just take for instance a situation where they have delay in supply and they ask you or call upon you to ask you, engineer, please, do you know how we can solve this particular challenge? And you say you are not aware. They ask you another question, do you have a way you can solve this particular problem? You say you don't know. It becomes a problem to them. They will not value you, they will not take you serious. But a situation where you offer additional advice, when you go beyond just those service delivery and offer quality advice, quality alternative to their challenges, finding solutions, alternative solutions to their problems, you see, you become an asset to them. In so doing, they will trust you because you have demonstrated expertise. Number two, it differentiates you from your competitors. Yes, just like in every sphere of life, competition is allowed. But where your client sees you as someone who can come up with creative ideas, who can come up with alternatives that will help them solve their challenges, they will see you as the one they will run to whenever the need arise. They will trust you the more. Just like I said before, just take for instance, they have concerns of rising costs, or maybe they have concern of delay in the timeline, and you come up with ideas that will help them. Okay, look at, I will do this, I will do that, we'll do this, we'll do that to make sure we meet up we tackle the challenge. They will definitely see you as a go-to. They will see you as someone who is capable of doing those things they want, and they will trust you the more. They will see you as the contractor or the engineer that they can rely on. Number three, it turns potential problems into opportunities. Yes, in construction projects, challenges will come, problems will definitely come up on site. If you don't know what to do now, you will be stuck in the process. Are you getting it now? If you have the technical expertise, if you have the ability to solve challenges, then you'll be able to move the project forward. Take for instance a situation where you have flaws in the design. Are you getting it now? You have challenges in the design that do not really work, that will not work on site. Are you getting it now? How are you going to do it if you don't know exactly how to manage such situations? You will be left stuck. Are you getting it now? But when you understand those things to do, when you really know exactly what to do, when challenges come, when problems comes on site, you will solve that problem and the project keeps moving on. Are you getting it now? So when you understand all these things, it will help you turn potential challenges, problems that are capable of delaying that project, you will solve them and you keep moving forward. Are you getting it now? So it helps you in turning potential problems into opportunity, and it will even help you even make more money. Are you getting it now? Because your clients will understand when you explain those things to them, and they might even go ahead to offer you money for additional services if you like. Number 4, it enhances client satisfaction and experience. Yes, every client wants to be satisfied. Every client wants a seamless operations. Every client wants their concerns to be met. Are you getting it now? And when they find out, especially those difficult ones, when they find out that you can give much more than what they expected, they will definitely trust you and you will not have any problems working with them. Now, if you are getting value from what we are doing here, why not subscribe to our channel, like and share it so you motivate us to do more. Number 5, it helps keep the project on track, even in the face of challenges. Yes, difficult clients are always focused on the challenges, be it budget, timeline, or changes in the design. Are you getting it now? But if you have the capacity of offering value-added solutions, you will not concentrate on those challenges. Rather, you will focus on finding solutions. Are you getting it now? And by finding solutions, giving them value-added solutions to their challenges, it will help you move the project faster instead of stucking in one challenge or the other. Are you getting it now? The project will move forward. It will keep your project on track. Are you getting the point now? And number 6, it helps to strengthen long-term relationship with your client. Yes, when your client finds out that you are an expert in the job, you understand your onions, you are creative in thinking, when they understand you can manage situations no matter the challenges, they will see you as an asset. And you get, sometimes they will even call upon you to share their personal problems with you. You see, in so doing, you now have a personal rapport, you now have a long-lasting relationship with your client. Are you getting it now? This in turn will create an avenue of more prospects, more clients, as they will end up referring you to friends and family. It is important to state that managing difficult construction clients can be very frustrating, can be very challenging, but by offering value-added solutions, you'll be able to win them over. And by showing that you can offer much more than they expect, you will build trust, you will turn challenging situations into opportunities, and you will keep your project on track. Now, if you have worked with a difficult client before and you were able to manage them properly by offering value-added solutions to them, I'd like you to drop or share your story with us in the comment section so we can learn from you. Thank you very much. See you next time.